Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be, as you can tell by the title of this video, covering the importance and benefits of rice water. As you guys do know, rice water has been used for years and years by the Chinese YALL women. That is why they have very long, strong hair. So basically it has become like a trend here on YouTube and things like that. I have done rice treatments in the past and I absolutely love them. It's just my hair is so protein sensitive, so I have to slow down on them, but they are totally worth it. So basically, if you guys are interested in hearing the benefits and the uses of it, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so basically rice water is basically a protein treatment. So basically the amino acids in the rice can break down and can form like a barrier over your hair, which would be aka a protein treatment. So basically if you do have like protein sensitive hair, then of course you're not going to want to apply it often, but protein is definitely needed in everyone's hair. So that's why I feel like a lot of people, you know, they get scared when they hear like their hair is protein sensitive, but sis, it's okay. You can definitely use protein, just not as often as other people. So basically the main thing for rice water, it definitely does reduce hair loss and shedding, and it does promote hair growth. So basically whenever I did use the rice water, or whenever I do use the rice water, I just mainly apply it to my scalp. I may cover my hair with it, definitely my ends, because it does help with split ends and things like that. Let it sit on my hair for about 30 minutes and then rinse it out. So rice water definitely contains vitamins. It contains vitamins B, C, and E, which promotes hair growth, so that is a plus as well. It definitely does reduce split ends like I mentioned before. One thing I did notice about the rice water treatments, they definitely improve my hair texture, aka define my curls more better. So basically they do improve your hair texture, as well as promote more volume in your hair. So I did notice that. If you guys have seen my latest videos, I'll link them above in the video where I did explain that. I definitely got a lot of volume and a lot of new growth from doing the rice water rinse. Rice water would definitely make your hair much stronger, which is a plus, because y'all, who wants some weak brittle ass hair? Nobody. So you know that protein is definitely needed, and you can get it from rice. So basically rice water contains a carbohydrate called, called inositol. I'll put it right here on the screen because I butchered that name, but it contains that carbohydrate, and that just basically repairs damaged hair, so that is a plus. Rice water, if you suffer from bad dandruff, rice water can definitely cure it. So yeah, it definitely cures lice as well. So as you guys can tell, rice water definitely has a ton of hair benefits. Basically I need a treatment right now, but yeah guys, if you do the rice treatment, then good luck to you. I'm pretty sure I've heard tons and tons of good news from the rice water, depending on like my other videos and things like that. But I love it, my son's hair love it, and like I said, just be careful because it is protein, and you know your hair may be protein sensitive. But other than that guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.